Hi friends, I'm Mani. Now I'm going to explain about creating of aggregates and volume. Before that, I want to explain what's a aggregate and volume. Aggregate Aggregates are representing the physical aspects of a storage, whereas volumes are not just partition of an aggregate, but the logically representation of a storage made accessible to end users through storage access protocols. The access protocols like NFS, CIFS, ISCSI, and these are some of the access protocols. Now, by the end of this exercise, we are going to learn how to run the storage configuration, creating 64-bit aggregate, and how to update from 32-bit aggregate to 64-bit, and disk failures, and adding a disk aggregate. And these are the things now we are going to do. First step, open your client, Windows client, go to netapp, just double click, my storage system. It's Manikanta Reddy. Yeah. Go to storage, the left panel, click storage, and click the storage configuration. Go for next step, and you can see the storage configuration and configuration of aggregate. Select the manual create of aggregate. Go for next. Yeah, you have been done. Finish it. And now using a netapp on command system manager, now we are going to create the 64-bit aggregate. In this panel, go to storage and aggregate. In the aggregate, you notice that only one aggregate AGRO is in default. So now we need to click a new. Go and click create. Go for next. In the aggregate details of page will be appearance. Just you can write aggregate name AGGR1. Yes. Go for next and select the disk. FCLB and the number of capability disk. We can write more than 3, so we can write 16. Sorry, default info. Just save and click create. The AGGR1 is created. Finish it. On the aggregate summary page, you have been created AGR1. It's in offline. Wait until AGR1 comes to online. In the meanwhile, go to putty. Give the IP address of your data on tap. My data on tap IP address is 192.168.54.18. Just enter the IP address and click open. Yeah, login with root and go with password. Before that, I want to tell about why using the CCL creating we are going for 64-bit aggregate. Why we are upgrading to 64-bit? All the new data on top modes and clusters and data on top aggregates are created in 64-bit by defaultly. However, in the earlier systems, during the migration of 32 aggregates can be founded. In order to have an aggregate larger than 16 terahertz, you need to convert 32 aggregate to 64-bit. For example, not example, just I mean to say that in 64-bit the aggregate is required more than free available space than 32-bit aggregate because the blocks pointers are larger in 64-bit. This is the only reason we now we are going for upgrade to 64-bit. And in this, go AGRR status, click it, and you can see AGRO0 is online. It's 64-bit. Next step, AGGR create AGGR space 4. Yeah. Yeah, now you can see AGGR1 is created, red option, and it is 64-bit. Now we are going for causing of a disk fields. At the storage system console, just using the command like aggr or status, we can use other command like sysconfig yeah, we can see the RAD and we can see the space of disk, so we can see the hammer block checksum. In order to verify an current aggregate, so it's better to just enter aggr sta tus. So we can see the aggregate status and AGR1 created and AGRO is in online and it's a 64-bit. So now we are going for creating a private set advanced. Just enter priv set advanced, enter. So sometimes this command is not work, so we can use the other command like disk unfail device set. So we need to check whether the AGR1 is online or offline. So it's taken somewhat time to become AGR1 in online. Wait until AGR1 turns into online.